Introducing the Toyota Supra with AC Schnitzer kit. The AC Supra wears an aggressive front splitter, which looks much more menacing over the stock piece. Equally aggressive is the new fixed rear wing, sitting atop the Supra's standard spoiler. There are new 20-inch 5-spoke wheels, and even a new front license plate holder. But it's the performance modifications that will bring the biggest smile to Supra fans everywhere. AC Schnitzer turns up the power from the standard 340 horsepower to 400 horsepower and increases the torque figure as well. As far as engine sound, the company adds a sport rear silencer kit with stainless steel or carbon fiber exhaust. AC Schnitzer certified the modifications on the European WLTP cycle, so we are unsure if the US spec owners will have access to this kit. To better accommodate the Supra's power bump, AC swaps out the stock suspension in favor of a height-adjustable coilover setup, and in an effort to improve handling, the company lowers the car's center of gravity by dropping the front and rear axles by 1 inch. These improvements alone should make the car more engaging over the standard Supra, which is already a great driver's car.